The 2025 Financial Street Forum just wrapped up. Where China's economy is headed? I talked to investors and economists. Here are my 3 takeaways. China's push for technological self-reliance, especially artificial intelligence, is unlocking new investment potential.
Well, AI, I think US and China are the only 2 global competitors in this arena. And if you think from hardware, GPU, to software, like big tech firms, e-commerce adoption, to the ecosystem, things like you have to have supercomputing center, you have to have power generation, broadband, a lot of things to support as infrastructure. China is the only country who has that edge. Probably on par with the US. They have different edges.
The consumer market is growing into a major driver of growth.
In the first 9 months of this year, the contribution by consumption to GDP growth was 3 times the contribution by investment. In the past 12 years, the contribution by consumption to GDP growth was 1.9 times the contribution by investment. So people always say China is the investment-driven growth, consumption inadequate. The data probably tells the otherwise.
Capital market liberalization and renminbi internationalization are enhancing China's appeal.
I think capital market liberalization has been a topic for many years. It has accelerated. We've seen many new steps this year. Things like southbound bond connect quotas for the bond market. So we do think, as the renminbi has strengthened again, authorities are more comfortable with continuing on that journey, and we expect more steps to open the market. And of course, there's a lot more focus now. The local equity markets are doing very well. The local bond market is already the 2nd largest in the world. We see more and more global attention to that. And of course, our clients are very focused on R&D in China, on the Chinese consumer market. So there's definitely a lot going on, enticing foreign players to expand their presence here in the local market.
A dynamic China with a vibrant market is opening huge opportunities for global investors.